Jaja, hear my cry, oh Lord. Wipe the tears, I cry, oh Lord. Rough times, enough night. Me feel like throwing the towel.
Hello, viewers. My name is Ian Bennett, and I'll be your host for this episode of Portmore Talent Show. Today, we'll be interviewing Spade Steppa. Right? I'm quite sure you'll find this a very entertaining interview, so join me. We'll be right back.
Feel like everybody hero, but who want gonna do for me when me can't save myself? Jaja, hear my cry, oh Lord. Be my light, oh God. Rough times, enough night for feel like give up and throw in the towel, yeah. Jaja, hear my cry, oh Lord. Wipe the tears, I cry, oh Lord. Rough times, enough night. Me feel like throwing the towel and give up.
Okay, Spade Steppa. All right. Proper name, no. We want to know what is your government name. All right.
They said the name for the national ID.
Ah.
Yeah, man, I don't know. Spade Steppa, Gary A. Jenkins. You don't know it, go.
Okay.
And that's Gary with 2 R, yeah? Don't spell it wrong.
All right. All right, Mr. Jenkins. Where were you born and where did you grow up? Because sometimes it can be 2 different places, you know.
Yeah, man. See, for Spade Steppa now, I was born in Mall Road, Olympic Way, Kingston 11. See me, early childhood days, grew up in a years truly, Portmore as I can say, Waterford, Condaway.
Okay. So you know, for big up.
Yeah, man, big up Waterford, big up Condaway, big up Mall Road, and also big up Whitehall. I don't know.
All right. Everybody have to get them props.
Everybody.
You know? All right. Which schools did you go to? Primary school, high school, and so on?
I get the whole works, man. You don't know. November 10, 1993, birth of a star. Who is that? No must me. From Portsmore Basic, gone to primary, Calabar, I know what talks so I see. So that answer you, don't it?
All right.
Portsmore Basic, primary, and Calabar High School.
All right. Good school, best school. Anyway, we'll move on. What event happened that showed you that you had this talent?
All right. You know, say, I'm a cousin inspire me still.
All right.
General Blaze.
Okay.
Get the story now. Growing up as youths, we're talented with the pen and pencil, writing stories from primary school days. Cousin moved from Mandeville to Kingston. Hear a CD film, think it name Fruit Punch, you know. What mixtape him say. But I rap him a rap. I mean, I say, bro, rap now, I'll cut it to Jamaica, you know. And him still a rap. So me take it up on myself, so me go write lyrics and show him say reggae and some dancehall him fair sing. And from that day till now, still I do it.
Okay, all right. That sounds inspired. That sounds like you were inspired.
Yes, man.
All right, cool. Where have you performed and how were you received?
All right, naturally we perform in our community. People in love with their soccer, our place that. You know, I've performed at couple work events. You know, big up all of the call center people. Michelle Dong, Huey Sutherland performance show, Sheldon Xerox. And also the biggest show I ever worked on, Dancehall Future. Dan Temple, big up yourself. That a Mountain View, Bush, big up yourself.
Okay. How were you received?
Very well, me I tell you, man. The crowd love we.
Okay.
Love we, I tell you. The whole team out the night there. Very well.
All right, that sounds good. Do you have any music videos or any recorded performances?
Yes, most definitely.
Okay.
Every music from Steppa Gang is distributed and on all streaming platforms. So Spade Steppa, there every platform where you listen to music. As it relates to music video, I have a big up to the 2 video personnel them way. Hold it down for we. And that is Create.1 Graphics and also Firestar Graphics and Entertainment. Them shoot all of the video them for Steppa Gang music. So Spade Steppa Viva, check out all of the video them. The latest one released Valentine's Day. That is Spade Steppa featuring Rooty Hustle, a hot song named Climax. So now go check it out.
Okay. Well, obviously you have recorded songs, but give the viewers an idea of some of the names of some of your recorded songs.
All right, most definitely. My personal favorite, Everybody Hero, as we have seen at the performance. You understand, produced by Peligo. And we have Climax as I mentioned. We have Good Underneath for the girls them. We have Motions coming. We have Count Pan Me. We have Greatest Mother of All Time. Look out for that music video, the Mother's Day, don't it?
All right. Are you signed with any manager or booking agent?
All right. Naturally, we're signed to Steppa Gang Music, which is our brand, right? And we partner with God Life Entertainment. Dan Riley, big up yourself.
Okay. All right. Apart from this talent that we're here interviewing you on,
Yeah.
do you think that you have any other talent?
Yeah, naturally. Naturally, you know. We born as a baller. Enough people like I say I lie me I tell, but a facts. We put it down for the music. And in the music and entertainment arena, me take it up on myself to study audio engineer to help my team. So I'm not just a recording artist, I'm also the one that records the entire team and makes the song. Just the same.
All right, that sounds good. All right. While in the music industry, how long now have you been in the music industry, would you say?
All right, so I would say professionally, like professional recordings and release, I would say I've been doing that from 2012.
Okay.
Professional recordings.
But the real question is, what have you learned while in the music industry?
All right, the biggest thing music teach me, I'm looking at the camera good, is patience. Patience. Growing up, I never have that. If it now work right away, I'm done. But with the music, it teach me say, I not just know it got me, you know. You build and add towards the future. So you have to just give it time. So patience are my biggest lesson learned from music.
And our final question, how far would you like to carry your music career?
How far? I always smile when I hear this question, you know. You know, because we can say as far as ever, but as I'm singing my song, legacy have a set for the youths them like Marley Money. And that's what me I pray. Forever, living legend. All of my gone, still there.
Okay, all right. Well, Steppa is Spade Steppa. Thanks for visiting the studio. We, as I would always say to a lot of our artists, when you have something new that you want to put out there, feel free to visit Portmore Talent Show Studios, and we can present it to the viewers.
Naturally.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, bless up. Shuffle them, mama. Shuffle them. From a steady face in here, don't know a Spade Steppa the shuffle bar. So I represent the Steppa Gang music, which is loyalty. This is Portmore Talent Show. You understand? Run it there. Hear me now, Peligro. Me feel like everybody hero. Yeah. Who I got there for me when me can't save the world? Jaja hear my cry, oh Lord. Be he my light, oh God. Rough times, enough nights, feel like give up and throw in the towel, yeah. Jaja hear my cry, oh Lord. Wipe the tears I cry, oh Lord. Rough times, enough nights, me feel like give up and throw in the towel, yeah. Me feel to give up, but me hold the faith. Now see me smile, them don't know the pain. When me hide inside like a rainy day. Dark clouds in my mind like every day. Yeah, my mind I run, I know me suffocating. Yeah, me save a lot of them, no one to save me from the grenade in on me and before me. Pull the pin and self-detonate to my feelings. Jaja hear my cry, oh Lord. Be my light, oh God. Rough times, enough nights, feel like give up and throw in the towel, yeah. Jaja hear my cry, oh Lord. Wipe the tears I cry, oh Lord. Rough times, enough night, feel like throwing the towel and yeah. No fear at all, me know where me want, man I go feed that dog. Tell them I no fear. No fear. Shuffle. Hunt for the money, nah do none no funny. Me get a drive anytime, me picture me mama me. Work hard. Legacy that I fi build, I fi set it for me youths like Marley Money. 3 pints it no cheap, hustle wise in the streets can't be no dummy. Family account for me. My mother she account for me. Man I work for my mother stop work. Every youth couldn't be a bank clerk. That's why me go hard now the studio brain gone with the moon go and spit in these verse. Dep on a mission and me nah stop work. Like Google me nah stop search. Feed the method we forget each other stack it like a double decker. Different currency we have a convert. Hunt for the money nah do none the funny me get a drive anytime me picture me mama me. Work hard. Legacy mama say son just be good cause go and do the work one day you soon boss. No for hype and them nah reach. No for follow some talk but man I listen a beat. Anytime you see me nice streets just know say I'm money me want, yeah. Anytime you see me on the stage just know say me love it from me heart. Man want be great, great like a me name you see. And no want see no gun, me no want run a lane dog. Man I work from long time. A long time, yes, it was a long fight. A punch like Muhammad Ali in I'm prime. Greater than Adi man up to the time. Greater than Spade Steppa where you find. Just greater than man just want be great. Great like a me name you see. And no want see no gun, me no want run no lane dog. Man I work to fly out bomb plane. Be a fire blaze when me touch his stage dog. Anytime you see me on the streets, just know say I'm money me want. Yeah. Anytime you see me on the stage, just know say me love it from me heart. Waterford, time of the master. Youth, just go on, shuffle them.